feels like
Okay, then don't do it.
Dad,
What?
move far back so we don't hit you.
You're not gonna hit me.
Yeah.
Hit me! It's okay if you hit me.
Oh! Okay, 3, 2, 1. Sam, go. Sam's videotaping you.
That's fine. He's all good.
Just go. Go, Sam. I tried you. Oh, you can go. Do it. Then go. I want to sit down there. You can if you want. Well, I'm waiting for you to go by first. Hopefully you don't get the book though. Just go.
Woo! Coming right for me. I got my angle's not very good at the end there. Good job, buddy. Good job, Sammy. Here goes Rosie. Wait for Daddy. Was that fun?